Enabling two-factor authentication on Snapchat adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Scroll down to find the two-factor authentication option. Tap on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be prompted to choose how you want to receive your verification codes. Options typically include using an authentication app or receiving codes via SMS. Select your preferred method. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you chose SMS, enter your phone number and verify it by entering the code sent to you. If using an authentication app, scan the QR code or enter the provided key. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Snapchat account, enhancing its security. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated to avoid being locked out of your account.